I came across Irene's work going on about 3 years ago now, and I heard her in an interview, and everything she said, I was ticking off all the boxes and knew that her work was something I needed to pay attention to because I'd struggled for so many years with depression and anxiety. And even though I was doing every kind of self-help thing that I could get my hands on to try to regulate myself and get healthy, it was like there was a missing piece. I signed up for the 21-day nervous system tune-up, hoping that maybe I could find some relief there. And I took that about 2 years ago and was really surprised by the depth of the content and yet how accessible it was. So I completed that and actually started noticing some changes and some relief. I knew that at some point I would be doing SBSM, but it wasn't, I couldn't do it at that time. Fast forward to about a year ago, I was in a really bad car accident, and that seemed to be the catalyzing event that took all of my past trauma and just pushed me right over the edge. And I hit kidney adrenal burnout, nervous system crash, and that was when I knew I was being called to take the deep dive. So I jumped in with the little fumes of energy I had and signed up for the course. I'm so grateful for the emphasis on going slow and being gentle and respecting where your system is at. And I made my way through the modules. I must say that I am a true believer. I'm astonished at the depth, first of all, that the program went, but also the effectiveness of all of the exercises. Everything I participated in, I felt like was so gentle to my system. I would say at the end of 12 weeks, I found that my body responded like this information and these exercises and this knowledge was the missing piece for me. My sleep has improved. My digestion has come back online, which has been screwed up for 3 years. I've had stomach aches on a regular basis, and the constant adrenaline rushes that I was having every day and every night diminished significantly. And I know I'm just uncovering the beginning layers of this work. I understand that this is a lifetime work, but I'm such a believer. I'm excited about the idea that what Irene says in her tagline, which is be your own medicine. I feel like finally I have those refined tools that will let me be my own medicine. I can't be more thrilled and grateful for having participated in this work. I can't recommend it highly enough.